Understanding Six Sigma. What is Six Sigma? The definitions and the perspectives. Learning objectives. Understanding Six Sigma. Here, we shall get introduced to Six Sigma. Understanding different perspectives of Six Sigma. Six Sigma has various perspectives. We shall learn the different views. Understanding Lean approach. Lean is a newer approach, though already 2 decades old. However, the fundamentals are so strong that the Lean approach never loses its relevance. Integrating Lean and Six Sigma. Here we shall learn how the complementary concepts like the Lean and the Six Sigma, once implemented, can do wonder, in organizations, in their business processes. Understanding, definition of Six Sigma. What is Six Sigma? There are 3 fundamental meaning, attributed to Six Sigma. 1. Standard deviation, the Greek symbol, sigma, which means standard deviation. It is a measure of variation. 2. Process capability. It is a statistical measure of a process's ability to meet customer requirements, that is critical to quality or CTQ aspects. Here, process Six Sigma equates to 3.4 defects per million opportunities. 3. Management philosophy. View processes, and/or measures completely from a customer point of view. This brings in continual improvement, integration of quality and daily work, which satisfies customer needs, profitably. The different perspectives of Six Sigma. We shall discuss all the 4 perspectives one by one. Six Sigma, a methodology. Six Sigma is a quality control methodology, developed in 1986, by Motorola, Incorporation. The method uses data-driven review to limit mistakes or defects in a corporate or business process. Six Sigma emphasizes on cycle time improvement, while at the same time, reduces manufacturing defects to a level of no more than 3.4 occurrences per million units or events. In other words, the Six Sigma system is a method to work faster with fewer mistakes. Six Sigma also constitute a set of tools. The Six Sigma expert uses qualitative and quantitative techniques or tools to drive process improvement. Such tools include process mapping, root cause analysis, or RCA, statistical process control, or SPC, failure mode effect analysis, or FMEA, etc. Six Sigma professionals do not totally agree as to exactly which tools constitute the set, as there are numerous combinations. In recent years, Six Sigma has evolved into a more general business management philosophy focused on meeting customer requirements, improving customer retention, and improving and sustaining business products and services. However, Six Sigma applies to all industries. Six Sigma also represents management ideology, which focuses on statistical improvements to a business process. It advocates for qualitative measurements of success over qualitative markers. Therefore, practitioners of Six Sigma use statistics, financial analysis, and project management to achieve improved business functionality. Six Sigma is also a method that provides organizations tools to improve the capability to improve their business processes. This increase in performance and decrease in process variation helps lead to defect reduction and improvement in profits, employee morale, and quality of products or services. On the other hand, Six Sigma quality is a term generally used to indicate that a process is well controlled. It also means that it is within process limits of plus or minus 3 sigma level from the center line in a control chart, and it also indicates that the requirements and tolerance limits of plus or minus 6 sigma level from the center line.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.